Once you have created the field structure of the table and labeled the fields within the header row, you are then ready to enter your first table record. A record is simply all of the information determined by the fields within the header row that pertains to a single entry. Using the example of a customers table, a record would be all of the information that pertains to a single customer. You enter the first record into a table immediately underneath the header row. You can use the Tab key on your keyboard to move between cells within a row, as well as move to the next new row after you have finished entering one record, to automatically add a new row to the table where you can then enter your next record. Each piece of information that you enter should match the corresponding field into which it is entered. So for example, if you have a customer table with the fields title, first name, and last name, and a customer named Mrs. Jane Smith, then her record should look like this in the table: Mrs., then Jane, then Smith. Additional records are always appended to the next row in the table, never entirely skipping a row. After you have created your table and entered your records, you can edit the information in the cells just as you would in a normal worksheet. Just select the cell that contains the information that you want to edit, and then change it. You can use the Tab key to exit and move to the next cell in the table when finished with data entry. Just as when entering records, you can also format any records or information as desired.